cube time. So here's how we came to have these particular cubes. Told you there was a sweepstakes for giveaways with Masters of the Universe. You buy one, you enter to win a pack of 5, right? We always buy in packs of 5 anyway, so we did that. Now, why these? I looked at our tracker to see what we had and what we didn't have, and Wave 2 was where we are the lightest in terms of unique characters. Not the amount of characters, but the amount of assets, but unique ones, right? We have the least amount of completion on that wave, so I figured it's the one we're missing the most. Let's give it a shot. So with that, Mr. Nick, which one?
Close your eyes.
Close my eyes. You're doing it?
This one.
Okay, right in the middle. All right, let her rip. It's been a while since we've unboxed a Masters of the Universe, so this will be fun to go back.
Look at everything. I don't remember this.
Yeah. All right, here you go. You doing it? All right. Again, I don't know what we have or don't have, so let's just see what's what.
We do not want
a common orca. Well, we definitely have a common orca. So, all right, we'll see. Maybe we have some cool stuff coming up in those remaining 4. But we'll do one thing. Let's.
I might just jinxed the common.
Might have done that. Yep. All right. Well, 4 more to go, so we'll see what's inside of those. All right. We'll be back soon.